Welcome to Zenyo Payroll. In this video, we'll see how to view an estimated tax sheet for a financial year of a particular employee. I hope you have watched the payslips and payroll forms video. If you've not, I recommend you watch it. You'll find the video link in the description. The estimated tax sheet lets employees see their projected taxes based on their income and regime so that they can make informed decisions. Go to the estimated tax sheet module and choose the financial year and the employee for whom you want to generate the estimated tax sheet. Click Apply. You'll notice columns like Actual, Taxable, and Future. The Actual column refers to the amount paid from the start of the financial year to the current month. The Taxable column represents the part of the actual amount that is taxable. The Future column displays the estimated value for the remaining months for which the pay run is not yet processed. This value is the total gross earnings and this is the total deductions. The total taxable amount after the exemption is the difference between gross earnings and deductions. Total income is the amount you get after all deductions are made. The deductions are the IT declarations submitted and verified by the employee for IT filing. Now total taxable income is the difference between total income and the total deductible amount. Beneath you have the taxes, education cess and the total TDS to be paid for the year. This is the tax paid so far and this is the tax to be paid for future months. Now you may download the estimated tax sheet as a PDF or take a printout for future reference. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.